Hi guys, welcome back to MATHS ZILLA. So we are doing our chapter first, integer of class 7th, and today we are going to do the try this of page number 19. So question is find minus 49 into 18, minus 25 into minus 31 and 70 into minus 19 plus minus of 1 into 70. So here we will solve these questions with the help of distributive property. So yes, we will start. Minus 49 into 18. Minus 49, 18 can be written as 20 minus 2. 18 can be written as 20 minus 2. So divided in the two parts, minus 49 into 20 minus, because there is a minus sign, minus of 49 into 2. So this is minus 980 and this is minus plus 98. So answer is minus 882. I recall the property, the distributive property. It was A cross B plus C is equals to A cross B plus A cross C. So I am applying this property here. Next part of this question is minus of 25 into minus 31. Minus 25 as it is into minus 31 can be written as minus of 30 plus minus 1. This will become the minus 30 and minus 1, that is minus 31. So applying distributive property here, minus 25 into minus 30 plus minus 25 into minus of 1. So this will become minus 50 because minus sign cancelled, and here a minus sign also cancelled. So answer is 775. Next part is 70 into 19 plus minus 1 into 70. So see, this is in the proper form of distributive property. Now 70 into minus of 19, 70 common, minus 9 plus minus of 1, this is minus 19 and minus 1, 70 into minus of 20, this will become minus of 1400.